When you see this, what do you think about it? This is batter fried chicken with gravy. You are going to have it with rice. Come, we'll all get together and prepare this and see how this type of preparation could be done with all the spices, seasoning and all that to put, and how it is prepared. Tasty preparation. Come, we'll get together and prepare. First thing, we are going to fry the chicken. So when we fry the chicken, I haven't still told you the name, but we will start frying and then I will tell you the name also. The chicken cut into large pieces. You can have it with the bones also, no problem, but it all depends on each person how they are doing. So take the chicken, cut into pieces, about 2-inch piece or whatever it is, and first thing we have to season it. So we will season the chicken first. To season the chicken, I need a few ingredients: sweet cumin, spices, coriander powder. All these are powder form we have taken. Okay, now I am going to mix it. Turmeric, important is salt, pepper, all that we have mixed. Mix it nicely, and then we will add a little curd also. You must not get the smell, so what you have to do is raw smell, lime, a little bit of lime. Lastly, I am going to use a little Kashmir chili powder. Kashmir chili powder is not hot, it's only the color. So we will use a little of that also, and a little chili powder also. Chili powder, I am putting a small teaspoon. Keep this ready. Keep that aside. We need flour, 3 dessert spoons of plain flour, 2 dessert spoons corn flour, and put a little water and make a batter. Little more corn flour and flour, because I don't want it very watery also and not too thick too. Keep the oil hot. Mix it nicely, at least for half an hour. Keep it ready. Nicely seasoned. You can see that. Dip it in the batter. If I put into a very large pan, I need too much of what? Batter fried chicken. Now we have got the chicken ready. I am going to make a small gravy. To make a small gravy, put a little oil, a little garlic, only a few garlic and onion. Even without onions and garlic also we can manage, but I have just put that. Chicken stock, 1 cup chicken stock I need. Before putting into the batter, I mixed all these seasoning. I put all that together. We want all this seasoning also. Corn flour, that is boiling. Now add a little corn flour, just a teaspoon of corn flour, like Kashmir chili powder. All the seasoning is there, so we don't need any of those. Now mix it all this together and cook till it gets thicker. I'll put all the chicken pieces in it. After offing the cooker, the batter fried chicken is ready now. Serve this with rice, so we will see how it looks. We can have a little coriander leaves. This is batter fried chicken with the gravy and serve with rice. That's all that we have to do here, and I hope you will enjoy. Next week, I will come out with another episode. Till then, wait patiently. I will come with a nice preparation for you. Till then, bye from me now.